Start.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm here in front of you. I am Maria Pepper Calin, 21 years old. Finished my degree in Liceo de Davao, taking a bachelor and secondary education major in mathematics. I'm here in front of you to become a math teachers in this institution, to teach those children who love maths who don't. For skills and talent, I love playing volleyball, and I also love cultural, just like cultural dance. I'm proud to say that your institution need to hire me because of my willingness to share my knowledge to the student of this school. That's all.
Good morning everyone. I am Rino Ibasitas. I am 25 years old. I live in Pantucan, Compostela Valley Province. I finished the degree of Bachelor in Secondary Education major in Mathematics at Liceo de Davao College, Tagum City. During my college time, I am one of the officers of the Student Council, and I am the scholar during that time. I'm the scholar of Mindanao Interfaith Services Foundation Incorporated. I chose your school because, as I observed, your school is lack of teachers. And I heard you're still hiring of a math teacher. So that's why I'm here applying a job of your school. Thank you.
First and foremost, I would like to say good day. My name is Evangeline Baltasar Malintad, and I am 20 years old. And I graduated my high school in Tagum City National High School and my college in Liceo de Davao, Tagum City. I complete with the degree of secondary education major in mathematics, and during my college days, I undergoes a practice teaching program which trained me to be an efficient and effective teacher. Along with my talents and skills, I like to sing, to dance, and to act, and sometimes I also cook and play volleyball. And the company should hire me because of my willingness, and I also like to help you to improve your company and to serve you well. Thank you.
Hello, good day. I'm Vicente Precioso from Guadalupe Esperanza Agusan del Sur. 21 years old, a fresh graduate at Liceo de Davao College, Tagum City. I've been informed that your school having a vacant for teacher. That's why I'm here in front to show you that I am willing to apply your school in any kind of position. As a teacher, not only for academic skills that I want to share the students, but also my talent. My talent is playing guitar, and I want to share them to enhance their ability. Why should the company hire me? The company should hired me because I am confident in what I have done, and also I experienced for being a teacher when I was in college. For more information, please contact this number 019 01 30 217. Thank you.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Eliseo Pong, 21 years of age, currently living at Datanwata, Malita del Sur. Graduated of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Liceo de Davao. I applying for a mathematics teachers at your institution. Would like to share a student after school. I know how to dance, to sing, and also interested for playing the basketball, volleyball, and dart. Why should the company hire me? Because fully believe these talents and skill of mine. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, a pleasant day to each and everyone, especially to you, Mom and Sir. By the way, my name is Ami Jane Pinsurgalapa. I am 21 years of age, and I am born on January 20, 1999 Now, I live in Davao City. Back in my school days, and my elementary education was completed at Andap Elementary School with an award of First Honorable Mention, and I completed my secondary education at Andap National High School with an award of First Honorable Mention. And I completed my college at Liceo de Davao, Tagum College. And now, I've heard that your school is such a great school, and I'm willing to apply for your school. That's all, thank you.
Good morning, Mom and Sir. My name is Christy Iyas, 20 years old. I came from Makilala, North Cotabato. I am the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Danny Iyas. I graduated at the Liceo de Davao, Tagum City, taking up Bachelor of Education, major in Mathematics. Speaking of position that I applied to you is teaching mathematics. My talents and skills is dancing. In my college life, I am the one of badminton player and one of the championship. Why should your company hire me? It's because I have the willingness to help your company to improve, and most of all, I want to teach our fellow men in the sense of how education is important in our lives. I want to share my idea, knowledge, and skills to my students for what I've done. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shaira Akak, 19 years old, a resident of Barangay Bakong, Tulunan, North Cotabato. I am a fresh graduate and I finished my tertiary education at Liceo de Davao, Tagum City, Riz Campus. Speaking of my talent, I like singing, dancing, and acting, and most especially teaching mathematics. The company should hire me because of my willingness and eagerness to do that job, and I'm capable to be a mathematics teacher. Thank you.
Hi to each and everyone and to all viewers in this video. My name is Wilmer A. Faurano, 19 years old, and I came from Loreto, Agusan del Sur. And I am a fresh graduate at the Liceo de Davao College of Tagum. I apply as a teacher of math in your school, and I also play boxing, chess, and basketball. And I am willing to teach this ability in your student. And I promise that you won't ever regret on hiring me. Thank you.
Hi, good morning to you, Mom and Sir. I'm Marvin Kalyaman, 20 years of age. I complete Bachelor of Secondary Education from Liceo de Davao, Tagum City. Major in Mathematics, fresh graduate. I noticed that your school is in need of mathematics teacher. I will grant for this position. I have many skills like basketball, billiards, and etc. Why should the company hire me? The company hired me because I have the power and capability to do my duty that will improve your school and to level up the knowledge of your students. Thank you for watching.
Hi, good morning to each and everyone. Well, my name is Michelle Saison, 20 years of age. I am the eldest girl among the 3 siblings of Mrs. and Mr. Ricardo Saison. I graduated at Liceo de Davao, taking up a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Speaking of position that I applied is mathematics teacher. Hopefully, I will dedicate myself to my job and will give all I can and give all I can offer just to be a good asset. My talent and skills is dancing, singing, and drawing. Philippines. Why the company should hire me? The company should hire me because of my willingness to help and want to share my knowledge and skills, and responsible, diligent, sane, and persevering in terms of work. That's all.
A pleasant morning. I am Jocelyn Catalan, 20 years old, a resident of Tagum City. I graduate my degree of Bachelor and Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Liceo de Davao, Tagum City. It is my pleasure to send this video with a grateful honor to apply any vacant position in your good office in which I can prove my knowledge and skills from my educational and work experience. To tackle more about myself, I am matured, responsible, and hardworking. The company should hire me because I am a deserving person, and if I given an opportunity, I promise to service in your good office to the best of my ability. Thank you.